Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the feeling of the surface beneath you, supporting you completely. You can notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, just as it is, without any need to change it. Simply allowing the air to flow in and to flow out in its own natural, effortless way. And with this next breath, you might imagine a soft, gentle light beginning to glow at the very center of your being. A light of pure awareness, of pure presence. And as you breathe in, this light grows softly brighter, and as you breathe out, it radiates outward, gently filling your body with a sense of safety, of peace, of deep and abiding calm. I invite you now to simply acknowledge whatever is present for you in this moment. Any sensation, any thought, any feeling. There is no need to push anything away, and no need to hold on to anything. You can simply notice, and as you notice, you might also become aware of the part of you that is doing the noticing. That quiet, observant presence behind the eyes, behind the thoughts, behind the feelings. It is you. Your mind knows how to relax. With every exhale, you can imagine releasing a layer of tension, a layer of worry, a layer of any thought that no longer serves your peace. Letting it go on the breath, dissolving into the spaciousness around you. And with every inhale, you draw in a sense of quiet confidence, a sense of serene capability. You are safe here. You are held here. You are supported completely in this journey of release. And now, I invite you to recall a moment, any moment, real or imagined, where you felt completely and utterly at peace. A moment of deep calm. It might be a memory of a quiet morning, a feeling after a gentle walk in nature, the comfort of a deep rest, or simply a feeling you wish to know. Find that memory, that feeling, and as you recall it, begin to step into it fully. See what you saw in that moment of peace. Notice the colors, the light, the shapes around you. Hear the sounds that were present, or the beautiful silence. And most importantly, feel the feeling in your body. Where do you feel this calm, present? And as this feeling of calm reaches its peak, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and make that gentle connection now. With every sensation, every image, every sound of that calm state is now encoded into this anchor. You are creating a neurological link, a direct pathway to peace, right at your fingertips. Oh, you can release the finger touch now, knowing the anchor is set deep within your nervous system, ready to serve you whenever you choose. Now, from this place of anchored calm, we begin. The words you hear are seeds, and your subconscious mind is the fertile soil, ready to receive them, nurture them, and allow them to grow into your lived experience. Listen with a soft focus, allowing the meanings to wash over you, to sink deep below the level of conscious thought, where true transformation begins. I am calm. Traced. This calm is not something I need to find outside of myself. It is the very essence of my true nature. It flows within me like a deep, still river, constant and unwavering beneath any surface disturbance. It is with every breath I connect to this inner stillness. With every heartbeat, I affirm my innate peace. I release anxiety easily and completely. It is a cloud passing through the vast sky. Stress melts away from my body like snow in the warm sun. I can feel a wave of relaxation beginning at the crown of my head. A soothing, gentle warmth that cascades down over my forehead, softening the space between my eyes. It flows over my cheeks, my jaw, inviting every muscle to let go, to release any held tension from the day, from the week, from any time at all. My stomach softens, my heartbeat finds its gentle, rhythmic cadence. My stomach softens, my heartbeat finds its gentle, rhythmic cadence. My stomach softens posturally. My stomach softens over, wave of release flows down through my legs, my knees, my calves, my feet, all the way to my toes. My chi storm made dot. Every cell in my body receives the message. Release, relax, renew. My breath is my anchor to the present moment. Right here, right now. In this breath, all is well. In this breath, I am safe. In this breath, I am capable. Thoughts of the past are just memories. They have no power in my present. My pravis reverting themselves, creating superhighways of calm response. Where there was once a reaction of tension, there is now a space, a beautiful, spacious pause, and in that space, I choose. I am stronger than any passing feeling of anxiety. It is a visitor, but I am the home. And I decide the atmosphere in my home. I fill it with the light of calm assurance, and fill it with the fragrance of deep, steady breaths. And I fill it with the sound of my own inner voice, which speaks with kindness and firmness. I am okay. I am here. I can handle this. My body and mind are allies in peace. And with Kant for kiss come, they commeatless, set, self-sub, this manda time. It is being restored to its perfect harmony now. I allow myself to receive tranquility. It's like greft twaft that soft stau. I allow myself to receive tranquility. I open the doors of my perception to the peace that is always available. It is in the silence between thoughts. It is in the space between heartbeats. It is in the gentle weightlessness I feel as I sink deeper into support. I do not have to strive for peace. I simply allow it to reveal itself to me, and it does more and more each day. No matter what arises externally, I have this internal sanctuary, this anchored feeling of peace that I can access instantly. I simply remember my resource, and I gently press my thumb and forefinger together, and like a key turning in a lock, the doors to my inner calm swing open. I am flooded with that familiar, powerful feeling of serenity. I forgive myself for past moments of stress. I release any judgment I have carried about how I handled things. I was doing my best with the tools I had then. Now, I have new tools. Now, I have this anchor. Now, I have these affirmations taking root in my subconscious. The feeling is well and died postis verlooid every conscious breath, with every choice for self-care. And like the past soften and fade, and I step forward, lighter into a present moment defined by grace. My sense of well-being grows independently of external circumstances. It is an inner spring, constantly replenishing itself. I draw from this spring with every positive thought, with every conscious breath, with every choice for self-care. The more I draw from it, the more abundant it becomes. I am a wellspring of peace. Sleep comes easily to a mind at peace. And rest rejuvenates a body that knows how to release. I gift myself deep, restorative rest, and I wake refreshed, with this calm already humming softly in the background of my being. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.